Sierra Circuit's PCB Stackup Designer helps you design manufacturable buildups. It also has built-in calculators to optimize your stackup to maintain signal integrity. First, let's begin with a simple stackup without a BGA. To begin, select your stackup category. You can choose from low-cost, standard, high-power, high-frequency, HDI, and BGA-based layer stacks. Click Explore. Enter your project name, board size, and choose the layer count. Use the drop-downs to select your PCB material and board thickness. Next, choose inner and outer copper thicknesses, surface finish, solder mask color, and sides. After defining your requirements, click Generate Stackup, and your buildup will appear on the right side of your screen. You can modify the layer combination using the respective drop-downs, if required. Click on View Detailed Stackup to see a comprehensive breakdown of your buildup. Here, you can define your controlled impedance, via, trace, and spacing details. Let's begin by setting the impedance requirements. Navigate to the Controlled Impedance tab, click on Add Impedance Model, select the model type, specify the impedance layer, reference layer, target impedance and trace separation, and hit Add. The calculated impedance values will be displayed as shown here. You can add multiple impedance models as required. Click on Edit to modify any of the impedance parameters. Here, you can redefine trace separation to compute target impedance and vice versa. Hit Calculate W or Calculate ZD to recalculate. To compute the signal loss in odd and even modes, navigate to the Signal Loss tab. Enter frequency, surface roughness, and trace length, and click Calculate Loss. The loss parameters will be displayed as shown here. To determine the S-parameter matrices, navigate to the S-parameter tab. Enter the source and load impedances and select the output type using the drop-down. Next, click on Calculate S-parameters to view the results. To evaluate the near-end and far-end crosstalk, select the Crosstalk tab. Enter the coupled trace length, signal rise time, and signal voltage, and click on Calculate Crosstalk. Now, let's add vias to the stackup. Go to the Via Current Capacity Calculator tab and click Add Via Plus. Select the via type, enter the drill and pad diameters, and click Add. The tool automatically computes the current capacity and temperature rise. To modify the via properties, click on Edit, enter the new values, and hit the respective Calculate button. Now let's determine the trace width and its maximum current capacity. Navigate to the Trace Width, Current Capacity Calculator tab, and hit Trace Current Capacity selection. Select the parameter you wish to compute, choose the layer number, enter the known parameter, and click Calculate and Add. To modify the trace properties, click Edit, redefine the requirements, and hit the respective Calculate button. The updated results will be displayed as shown here. Now, let's compute the maximum voltage and minimum spacing between copper features. Navigate to the PCB Spacing and Voltage Calculator tab and click Conductor Spacing Selection. Select the parameter you wish to compute, choose the layer number, enter the known parameter, and click Calculate and Add. To recalculate conductor spacing and maximum voltage, click Edit, enter the known parameter, and hit the respective Calculate button. The updated results will be displayed as shown here. To view the list of cores, pre-pregs, and foils used in your layer stack, navigate to the Material BOM tab. To download your buildup, click Save Stackup, select Export, and choose your desired file format. Available options include Allegro Start and Stackup files, Altium Start, Stackup, and Rule files, as well as IPC 2581 format. For guidelines on importing the buildup to your EDA tool, click on the instruction manual. A document with the guidelines will be downloaded. Next, let's see how we can generate a stackup with a BGA. First, click on Explore, enter your project name, board size, and choose the material and target PCB thicknesses. Next, select your desired BGA pattern. Enter the number of pins in the X and Y directions and choose the BGA pitch from the drop-down. The tool will automatically calculate the total number of pins and signal pins. Now, click Find Stackup Design. A list of all compatible buildups that support your BGA configuration will be displayed. Next, follow the same procedure as you would for a standard stackup without a BGA. Visit Sierra Circuit's website and try the PCB Stackup Designer today.